For any in-house sales related to products, merchandise, or even food, you'll need to use the point of sale module. Once you've created these products in your system settings, they'll automatically be available for selling here. Using one of the options, select a product that needs to be allocated to a member or even a guest, and it will pop down in the pending items list here. To complete the sale, click on the blue button at the bottom and you'll be asked to confirm the amount due for the sale. Once you've entered in the price, select from a number of payment options depending on what you've set up. The first is for cash. The second one can reflect what type of card payment was used for the sale. Then the third will take you to the options for direct debit, bank transfer, or check. Once you've finished, complete the sale, an invoice will be automatically generated with the relevant products attached as well as the name of the member if it wasn't sold to a guest. Another option you can use when in this module is the barcode scanner. You may have some gym merchandise or drinks that have one connected, and you can set this up in the creation page of your product first, alongside a barcode scanner in your hardware connections. If you have any questions about this part of the system, please reach out to either your allocated account manager or you can contact our support team.